Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I will be talking about the electrical requirements for a metal shear. On our foot-operated metal shear, it is wired for 220. We have our on-off switch here, and that wire runs into this junction box, which is hooked up directly to our electrical panel. If you would need to disconnect power to this, you would want to find the circuit breaker or throw switch that it's on and flip that. On our hand-powered shear, it is wired with a 110 plug. This would just go into your standard outlet. Our squaring shear does not require any electrical connection. It is foot-powered or man-powered. Now, if you're going to be going a considerable distance, you may need an extension cord. You want to make sure you have one at a high enough rating that it will support the tool that you're supplying.